Greetings and salutations to the lovely degenerates. Welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. I'm your host, Corey. Well, we missed Margarita Day back in February, but it is springtime, and that means patio weather and time to sip on your favorite concoctions. And this year, why not try something different? And I picked up the El Paso Chile Company's Margarita Cookbook, and they got all kinds of tequila concoctions in there. I love concoction. Makes me sound halfway intelligent, right? You know, what was it? Trailer Park Punch, and it's even got tequila coladas and even stuff like different salsas and chips and shrimp cocktails and that sort of thing. And maybe one day we'll. I keep saying when I get braver. Actually, I need a better cooking situation, but don't tell anybody. But yeah, we're gonna do one called the Melon Margarita. It's made with Midori. Midori didn't use as much as it used to nowadays, so figured there's a good chance to try it, see what it tastes like. And as always, I am not a bartender. Do not take any of this as bartending advice. So let's try a cocktail. So to start this bad boy off, 1.5 ounces of tequila. 1 ounce of lime juice. So this is where it changes up. We're using Midori. Let's go to the triple sec, and there's no simple syrup in this, so this is probably sweet enough. But yeah, got 1 ounce of Midori. And it's shaking time. And they suggest some melon ball skewers as your garnish. Just throw them in there and make them look pretty. Or you can salt the rim if you want to, but I don't do that. But yeah, that is a melon margarita. And it's very green. Let's see what this thing tastes like. Yeah, it tastes like a margarita. It's the Midori is not that potent. And, the lime definitely stands out, just like a normal margarita. And if you wanted a little sweetener, it probably wouldn't hurt you put a little agave or something in there. But yeah, it's all right. Yeah, I think I would put a little agave in there myself. But I think the Midori gives it kind of a little cool flavor. And of course, you know, if you're gonna make the melon balls, you might as well have some melon with it and throw your little tahini on it. If you don't know what this is, it's one of the best things I have discovered from my neighbors. Just put a little on your melon, gives it a little bit of spiciness. It is awesome. But yeah, I'd say give it a try. If you got some Midori laying around, play around, experiment with it. In the meantime, you know what to do. Cheers.